Hey, what's up IDEX holder, what's going on? Today video is very important for all IDEX coin holder because my brother, you can see here this time the IDEX price will get a profit but very less, but absolutely that's very good now my friend. So definitely this time you can see my friend the crypto market is comfortable, not fails down my friend. All crypto market is moving upward, and especially my friend all cryptocurrency the without my friend just only this time fails down eCash my friend, and I think something Gala coin, these coin my friend were fails down. Otherwise all coins Shiba Inu, Cardano, all coin my friend, Dogecoin, all coins were moving upward. So after a very huge pump absolutely every coin will dumps down. So therefore in previous days my friend these all coins were starting move upward, so therefore they were fails down today. The market cap you can see a 0.05% loss now, and you can see here fully diluted market cap 0.05% decrease now. So this time you can see volume, you can see oh my goodness 46.17% decrease now. Very bad news my friend. I hope they will recover this all loss, but this is possible if a holder are starting investing. So otherwise my friend this is impossible to they will recover all the loss. As you can see my friend they will completely on the profit, and definitely after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore if you want to get a profit now, do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure they will recover this all loss now. So thanks for watching all my IDEX holder. I hope they will recover in upcoming days all the loss, in this time they will also get a profit. So you can see at this time just in only the red line as you can see here is lost now. Otherwise after this time they all profit now, completely on the profit. So please holder, if you want to get a profit now, hold it, and if you want to get a profit now, please invest more and more to recover all the loss my friend, which in the previous days they will lost now. And please if you want to get a profit, so now subscribe this channel. If you want to earn money from crypto, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for video notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.